To create a t-shirt for your character, select your character, and with the character selected, set your cloth type to top under the DivineCut add-on and click on new cloth. Now position the points, the neck to the neck, the chin, the nipple, the shoulder, the elbow, and the wrist. Place them like so and click on generate top rig. Now with these circles you can set the size of the shirt that you want. So for the neck we want, let's say, a tight neck area like this. You can scale it with S. Let me enable screencast keys. And then the shoulder, how big you want the shoulder of the t-shirt to be, and the sleeve, how long you want it to be. So you can make it this long and a bit short here and not too wide. So I think that's fine. You can make this better. And for the waist, however long you want it to be, if you want it this long, you can place it there. You can also place it here if you want it that long, but we just want a normal t-shirt like this. And you can scale it along the y-axis, and then we can click on generate top and it will create the top for you. So this area could use some sculpting, so I'll go to frame 1, view it from the side, go into sculpt mode, and just sculpt this chest area to flatten it a bit more so it's smoother. And this area you can pull it out a little and raise the shoulder and pull this area out a little bit more if you want. And then click on play. So you can see the sleeves are a bit stiff and the cloth is a bit stiff by default. That's because the weight is low. So you can come over to cloth settings here and you can see vertex mass. We can increase this to about 1 and press play, and you can see it's much heavier now than it was. You can also increase the quality steps so that it calculates better, and press play. And the first time it plays, it's baking, so it will be a bit slow because it's calculating every frame. So if you want to bake everything, come to the first frame, under the design section, click on bake, and it will bake the entire thing, and it will play a sound when it's done if you have sound enabled in your preferences. Alright, so it's done baking. So when you press play, it plays a lot smoother, and you can see we have our t-shirt. You can increase the subdivisions or enable subdivision here, so make it look tighter, neater. You can also increase the steps here to 2, or the subdivision levels. And yeah, we have our t-shirt.